her so much. She just left me. What am I supposed to do? I don't really know all the words to say. I never let it go, she just slipped away. How do I explain all the pain and the tears, everything that I feel, cause it felt so real. I loved you, did you love me too? I guess that was something that you could never prove. I can't believe I let all these feelings mess with me. Can't believe I ever thought we were destiny. Now I've been trying to find a way to move on from this, but I still can't forget all the hugs and kisses. Decisions that ultimately led to regret. I took a bullet to the heart and the hit was direct. I've been so in love with you for too long, but damn, how do you expect me to move on when I gave you my heart and you just ripped it to shreds? Now I'm left trying to pick the pieces up instead. I'm still trapped in these memories, and the pain just hurts so endlessly, cause you left me with these cuts and scars, bitter memories and a broken heart. I still love you, but if you never come back, just remember the karma's behind your back, cause you left me with these cuts and scars, bitter memories and a broken heart. I'm still stuck with the same old misery. I thought that you would always be here for me. I did everything I could, I cried in vain, but I got nothing, now I'm left with nothing left instead. When we talk, it's like nothing matters anymore, and when I look at you now, I don't even know who you are. Things change so much, and I'm seriously shocked. Did I do something wrong, or nagsawa ka na ba? Girl, I'm sick and I'm tired of getting hurt. All this pain in my chest is just getting dessert, cause I thought it would work, so I loved you for real. Turns out you never gave a damn about how I feel, and I still try to hide all these stupid facts, like how much I love you and that I want you back. Cause damn it, I miss when you hug me and say that you love me and kiss me. It's been washed away. I'm still trapped in these memories, and the pain just hurts so endlessly, cause you left me with these cuts and scars, bitter memories and a broken heart. I still love you, but if you never come back, just remember the karma's behind your back, cause you left me with these cuts and scars, bitter memories and a broken heart. I'm still trying to find a way to get out of this pit, but every time I try to get up, I just suddenly slip. I wanna quit, but these feelings are stronger than me. There's no need to ask because obviously in my life there was something that I needed to fix. There was a missing piece and you were a perfect fit. But love is like magic, cuts like a spear, then poof, you just suddenly disappear. What I did was never enough, you wanted more. I conclude our relationship will never be restored, cause you left me. What is this love really for? When all you ever did was just take and ignore. Now I'm looking at these pictures like, how could this be? I can't believe now the tables are turning on me. And what was once a happy fantasy with smiles and laughter is now an odyssey with no happily ever after. I'm still trapped in these memories, and the pain just hurts so endlessly, cause you left me with these cuts and scars, bitter memories and a broken heart. I still love you, but if you never come back, just remember the karma's behind your back, cause you left me with these cuts and scars, bitter memories and a broken heart.